Man, check out the rainbow. Yeah, there's a school right up almost to the grass. Keep looking straight ahead, you'll see it, their tails. Go get them, man. Yeah, you can see them, Jay. There's a bunch, man. 19 and a half. Boy, look at this dude sneaking up on me. That was the coolest hookup I've ever had, I think. It was waking right to me, man. I said, let me cast that in real quick. I didn't even cast, I just dropped it in the water. There you go. Here's a good one. Dang. Easy, dude. Get back over here. That was cool, man. I never caught one that close to my kayak before. I'm always looking ahead and missing out on stuff like that. Of course, I ain't caught him yet. It still counts for something. It's a good fish, man. At least mid slot. Maybe upper, we'll see. Give that medium light, hell. Get my grips ready. Heck yeah, man. That's a freaking solid one. Usually what I do in here, especially if I see one that I can cast at, I try to let it sink in that grass and then pop it up and give it slack so it'll sink again. Every time it goes over this shallow grass, it's kind of too much on the surface. Okay. And then when you bump it once, it'll be out of the grass and you want it to fall down in those little, pockets or whatever. Yeah, I mean, not saying they won't hit it on the surface, but they're more likely to hit it when you let it sink to them, right in front of their mouth. Yeah, I can show you how I usually do it. It normally works for me. So I cast it, I let it sink for a second or two, give it one pop, and then give it slack. Gotcha. When you give it slack, if it finds a pocket, it's gonna fall down in it, and then pop it, and then give it slack. I just do one pop, I used to do 2 pops. I don't guess it matters how many you do. It's one of those things you have to just kind of try and see what's happening. Oh. It was a trout. Yeah. So I mean, here late, like the last several months, I switched to the 1 pop for whatever reason. I've been confident in that.
What's half the work? You fish twice as long.
Yeah. We'll just go up this shoreline, and if I can point something out to you, I will. You see the water up about 75 feet? There's something swimming towards us. The ripples are just different.
Right here in front of you?
It's about 75, not real close. You have to just look at the ripples and look for the ones that are doing something different.
Yeah.
And something that's swimming towards us. It's hard for me to point out, man. Some people, of course it kind of quit now. Some people will see it sometimes and get the hang of it, but if you look at the ripples all the way across, and you see them, like this is bait right ahead, you see how something's moving different right there? Yeah, but when it's a bigger movement like that, see, those are swimming to the right. When it's bigger than that, then it's redfish. Those are just bait, but you can see the ripple difference change, right? Yeah. And it's happening just where that mullet jumped to the right of it. There's some good looking stuff back in there, so we'll ease up a little bit more and just start casting in there. I'll tell you when. You got him? Yeah. There you go, man. He got off. Did you set it hard?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. That sucks. Golly, look at this. I got the flounder. Freaking red's coming right next to me. Oh, there he went. Shit. Oh, that's a good bump, flounder bump. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's keeper size. Be still. Real good flounder. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I like stuff like that. Oh, look at the tail way over there. Way out there. Can you see it? Yeah, go get him, man. A couple 100 feet away. Oh yeah, he's still putting that tail up. Oh, look at him, dude. Golly, cast over there. Holy cow. There you go. There you go. Come on, fish. Set it hard. Yeah, you gotta set. As soon as you feel that thump, you gotta reel down and then set. Yeah, that's a real nice red.
Right up on the edge, man. Right up on
the grass line.
You might keep.
Yeah, that's a keeper. He's slot.
Took it hard.
Yeah.
Not quite done yet, huh?
There it is. Yeah, that's definitely slot. Did you set the hook a little harder on that one?
Yeah, he took off hard enough.
Oh, he did it himself? Yeah.
As soon as he felt it, he took off.
Yeah.
Sure.
You can get that net between your legs and lower that fish down between your legs and get the grips on him, and so there you go. Just be careful for the hook, you know. Sometimes I put my legs outside the kayak. Yeah, that's a real nice one. If you want to measure him, you can. There's a board under the seat.
Take a quick measurement.
He's probably 24 or so.
Oh, I think he's bigger than that, don't you?
It could be. Yeah, it's harder for me to tell without me holding it.
Maybe he might, I think he might be 28.
And maybe so. Maybe so. I can't tell. I can tell better when I'm holding him.
26.
26. Okay. I should start adding 2 inches because I did this. I did the same thing to my customers the other day. I said, yeah, about 24. It was 26.
Okay. Well, he's fat.
Yeah.
He's been eating good.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that, man.
All right. 2 tacos right there.
It's probably 4 or 5 tacos. What are you talking about?
I like big tacos.
Yeah, okay. Burritos. Fish burritos. Look at that guy right there. Big old red. Some bitch. He's right there. Freaking line tangle. Come on, man. Damn, that was a big one. I got him anyways. Yeah, he was swimming right next to me. Oh, get it, boy. Yeah. Yeah, he was swimming like 12 inches from my kayak. I tried to drop the lure down on him and he kind of spooked just a little bit. But he didn't spook, you know, all the way, just for like a couple feet, and then he slowed down. Then my lure or my line got tangled up on the tip. And I got it off the tip and cast it, and nah, I'll just grip him. Oh, where you gonna go? Oh, come on. He's so big. Damn, I almost pulled a muscle right there. He's a tank too. Yeah, it's a solid one.